Thumbs up. Okay, give me thumbs up. Leaping Larry, Leaping Larry. Goggles down, thumbs up. Pilots, arm your quads. And we're going to go in 3, 2, 1, launch. 3 minutes on the clock, all 3 in the air. And yes, we're blistering. Oh, wipe out, disarm. Whoa, yeah, recovered. Good job. Go back through. Good job. You're good. Good job recovering. That scared me there for a little bit. Okay, we got 2 somewhat neck and neck going through the top side of the over and under. Final turn. Looks like we got 2 that are about to get 1 lap down. Good job. That's 2 minutes and 33 seconds, guys. Keep in mind that you have to get 1 point per lap. And Leapin' Larry, are you still going? Somewhere. Okay. Man, somebody's screaming around the last turn here. Whoa, that was close. Citra FPV, was that you? I guess it was. Be careful. Good job going through the tunnel of death on the backside. Exits and goes under the over and under. Left-hand turn, sweeping to go over the over and under. A little wide. This is a race. Looks like Robbie is on his tail there. Citra FPV still in the lead. Robbie's cutting through the S-curve and the Pecan patch. Going through the tunnel of love. Lately, nobody's been destroying themselves back in the tunnel of love there. Over and under. FPV, good job. Final turn. Another lap down. Robbie's right behind him, not too far, but by a couple seconds. Another lap down. Minute 26 seconds, guys. Keep them going. Over and under on the underside. Citra FPV, a little wide on the turn, but makes it in there, goes over. Keep it a little tighter. Robbie through the underside of the over and under. Citra makes another lap. Robbie, you're losing traction, pal. You got to catch up with him. Keep it going. Keep it going. Smooth and steady. Keep it in the air. And we got over and under Citra FPV. That's 60 seconds left, pilots. 60 seconds left. Final turn. And, oh yes. And another lap down. Citra FPV. Good job. 38 seconds on the clock here. And once we get down to 15, I'll shout that out. Good job. Keep it flying. Keep it flying. Good job, guys. Good job. 7 laps. Keep it in the air. 16 seconds. Uh-oh. So we got a tunnel of love. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're done. All right. Victory lap.